Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G41. Start by going into Play Store on both devices. Now you need to click on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. Click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. And now we can finally select Receive on Motorola and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you will select all of those files and send them. It will take a long while though, so I will only go with this one photo. Just send and tap on Got It. As you can see over here, we have two ways to connect. We can click on the scanning icon on Motorola, choose while using the app or only this time. In this case, allow. And point our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input key over here and tap on receive. Then wait a couple of seconds and now as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!